an ANC woman being local ANC wanted to deploy her, and she says, "Nope, I am definitely no, I'm not going there." Right? I saw that article where it says the disbandment of the ANC Provincial Executive Committee in KwaZulu-Natal's eminent Secretary General Fikile Mbalula initially blocked the party's National Executive Committee, sorry guys, from disbanding the committee to avoid chaos during the elections. So we will talk about that. MK, look, KZN ANC being look, some of them, it says that they might be shown the door. But on the other hand as well, we need to talk about somebody says hands off. Paul Mashatile says ANC Youth League amid concerns of DA gunning to see him criminally prosecuted. There's people are saying, listen, you can't arrest Paul Mashatile. Please, hands off our leader. Hands off Paul Mashatile. You can't arrest Paul Mashatile. Stop arresting Paul Mashatile. That is exactly what they say. I mean, come on, guys. That is exactly what they do. So hands off Paul Mashatile. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. This was also this comes after also EDA. We know most through that leaked letter. We have learned, by the way, that when DA deny things, they deny it because it came to light. We remember that I showed you the letter where EDA was actually saying that the government of national unity and blah blah blah. They said when it was first brought to them, they said it was false. It turns out that they did exactly what was written in that document. So you can also expect them to have a similar approach or similar behavior towards that. They can deny that they want to prosecute Paul Mashatile, but you will learn in the process of time that it's going to be prosecuted. There's no other way around. It's going to be prosecuted. So in this YouTube channel, guys, I cannot guarantee you that we're not going to prosecute you. Don't worry about that. Just be at ease. What are we going to do? I'm sure you ask. This is what we're going to be doing. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, I mean, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, with that being said, where do we start? Let's start with what the hands of Paul Mashatile. African National Congress Youth League says hands off Paul Mashatile amid concerns the Democratic Alliance won't back down from attempt to see the deputy president criminally prosecuted. It just wonders. It just concerns me that Ramaphosa only covered himself by the deal of the DA. He did not cover, because Alan Zille has confirmed that yes, there is something like that they will not raise any objections. They will not vote for the motion of no confidence against Pala things and all the stuff. So it appears like that deal only include Ramaphosa. If that's the case, it's still it's still proof the point that Ramaphosa is selfish. He only thinks for himself. But again, the article continues to say, the DA laid criminal charges against Paul Mashatile earlier this year following allegations of corruption leveled against him, which span almost 2 decades. These includes an alleged intricate web of nepotism and family patronage, with Mashatile as an ultimate beneficiary. the youth league ANC Colin Malachi Ute, those who have been charged must step aside. The deputy president has not been charged by anybody. If the DA says they got enough evidence, they must allow the law institution to take its course. We will not be told by them that the deputy president is corrupt when institution of law have not yet charged him. He is still the deputy president of the ANC. We know that he might be appointed as the deputy president of the country because that's how the ANC works. Okay? Appears like a DA, they're like, oh, okay, that's how the ANC works. We want Kzn Anc to be the deputy president. Oh, Paul Mashatile is a problem. Let's remove him. That's exactly how it works. The disbandment of ANC Provincial Executive Committee in KwaZulu-Natal is imminent. Secretary General Fikile Mbalula initially blocked the parties in the local National Executive Committee from disbanding the committee to avoid chaos during the recent elections campaign. Scroller Africa has learned from reliable sources that the decision will be affirmed soon, as the party's leadership has finalized the list of people who will lead the interim structure. Among the leaders confirmed to take over the secretary, from Secretary Begim Dolo and Chairperson Boniso Duma are former KZN Chairperson Mike Mabuya Kulu as a coordinator, ANC Women's League convener Bongisithole Mloyi as a treasurer. The convener is planned to be the district mayor. They say the decision is imminent. This is the source. It means it can't be taken even next week, as source said. Mabuyana is the one who was also deployed in eThekwini, and his recommendations about the state of the organization is that the region led to be radical of Mayor led to the recall of Mayor Olise Kawunde. A source told the source said that the ANC national leadership wanted to dissolve the ANC Provincial Executive Committee even before 29 May elections because of the crisis and the division in the branches. Another source said the provincial secretary Begim Loto never agreed with the national leadership's instruction to deploy its own people to oversee general election campaign and head of election committee. Okay. Yeah, that's the long and short of it. The article continues to go on and 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 on. Yeah, we all know what is going to happen. I've already told you. What are you gonna tell me? What do you think about what I've just shared with you? Hands off, Paul Mashatile. The DA is gunning for that position. And we know DA is DA, guys. They don't just meander around the bush. DA will tell you what they want. And that's at least one thing that I appreciate about DA is that they are not like these hypocrites who pretend like they don't know about the they don't know that it's a DA and the ANC coalition. DA just shows you its ugly colors, and you just have to live with DA, and DA is DA. That's the only thing I appreciate about DA. They have less time to pretend, but more time to be themselves, which is a very great idea. You know what I'm saying? It's a very good idea that you just know that you are dealing with this type of people. So the only way for them to succeed in getting the position of being what is this position, Gonja? It's called what? Deputy President, yes. We all know, by the way, I've got some interesting news to say that today, Paul Mashati, probably, look, as of me recording this video, we got an information that, who's this guy? President Ramaphosa is currently meeting, who's this person? No Kzn Anc, and they are negotiating. Now, mind you, look, you know what I'm saying? It just creates a lot of problems to say, what are we going to see when everything has been done and dusted in this whole setup? What are we most likely to see? I'm also keen to see the outcome of this meeting. But nevertheless, what do I have to say? Well, nothing. except to say, I'm going to be here. I will follow everything up until it comes into fruition. But before I do so, please remember to subscribe, like the video, and comment. Don't forget to click the notification bell.